today we are going to be baking.
Hope we don't burn the house down.
Hopefully we don't. But yes, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Damilaoye, and today we have a guest here.
Is this my first modeling gig or what?
Girl, please. So we have a guest here, and we're going to be baking. Guess what we're going to be baking? Can you guess? We are going to be baking banana bread. For it's still giving the Christmas vibe.
Yeah, it's still giving like warm and cozy. For sure. It gets warm and cozy. Banana bread gets warm and cozy. Have you ever tried the ones from Rosella's?
No.
They're so good.
I haven't tried it.
You should try them. It's so good.
Okay, I'm going to try it. It's our recipe, okay? She knows how to bake. I don't know how to bake. So she's going to be teaching me how to bake. And we're going to be teaching you guys how to do it.
Welcome to Tolu's Baking School.
Perfect. Do you have anything to say about the whole banana bread? Do you do it for a particular reason? Does it have like any significance meaning?
It's a I don't know if it's a dessert, but it's something you make from the heart, you know? Warm and cozy, makes you feel good, makes you feel happy. I'm being so for real. I'm being so for real though. Like I feel like banana bread definitely gives like very, you know that comfort food you have?
Yeah.
That's what it gives to me.
Often
Like
do you eat it or do you bake it?
every time I go to work, I always buy banana bread from Rosella's.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Have you tried it?
I have no clue how much it is actually, but I just always get it. Like I even got it last night.
Oh, wow.
But the last time I baked it was probably in 2021, which is a while ago.
Yeah.
But I haven't really been baking recently. I've just been buying.
Alright guys, let's get into the video.
It's quick and easy.
Yeah.
Let's get into it.
Let's get into it.
Alright, I have the recipe on my phone. We're just gonna follow that. We'll first preheat the oven to 325. Okay. 325.
I think we should open the oven first.
What we're gonna be doing is adding the sugar and the where's the little spatula thing to touch it over.
This one? Yes. Okay. Have this right here.
I'm trying to find. Okay, 1 stick of butter is all we need. Just one
So I
stick.
can squeeze in this one.
1 stick is 8 tablespoons. Does that say 8 tablespoons on it? Oh, yeah, 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it's
Okay.
Perfect.
Alright, so you just
So
put
is this
that
whole one?
yeah, whole thing in there.
Okay.
Great. And sugar. So how much sugar? We're
sugar
supposed to
do
use
we need?
1 cup of sugar.
Okay. Which cup?
The big. This is the measurement of each one. Yeah, one cup of sugar.
So we're going next with 1 cup of sugar, and earlier we used like a whole slice of
Butter.
butter. Let me just try to put it like this.
Oops. I don't know.
This should work. Right?
Okay, wait.
Huh?
That works fine too. that works fine too.
Okay, so we have this one. Let me take this one.
The bread's still kind of hard. We don't have a mixer, so we're just gonna have to make do with what we have right now.
I completely
We
forgot about
might
this.
have to use hand for this. I might have to use my hand. My hands are clean. I already washed my hands. I'm just going to use my hands to mix it.
Okay.
And my mom used to bake back when I was in Nigeria. She used to use her hand to mix because she didn't have a mixer at the time when she had just started. So she used to use her hand to mix. So
Does it have to like be perfect smooth?
well, it wants us to mix it till it's creamy, which is fine. Like
So guys, we're actually improvising right now because there's no mixer. But I feel like it's working though.
yeah.
The mixer. Should we just not buy it?
The hand one. I'm like, yeah, maybe we should go get a mixer.
We'll come back. We have to go get a mixer because I can't even do with this right now.
We mix the the just sugar and butter mixture. Next thing we're gonna do is mash the bananas. They're already pretty soft. They don't look like it, but I peel my bananas from the nipples.
Ever?
I don't know. For some reason, whenever I try to do it from the other side, it doesn't like.
It doesn't work.
It doesn't work. It just ends up looking crazy.
All she's doing right now is just trying to mash the banana together.
Some people like to blend it, but that gives it very, very fine texture. And I feel like when you mash it this way, you give like some type of texture to the banana bread. You can actually taste the banana. It doesn't taste like a puree. I don't know. I finished mashing the bananas. This is what they're looking like right now. There's still like little chunks in there. It just helps with the texture and it gives the banana bread a little more moist feeling. Next thing we're gonna do is add milk. So we need 1 tablespoon of milk, and this is whole milk. So so 1 tablespoon of milk, and then 1 teaspoon.
So like just one milk.
Yeah, just 1 teaspoon.
Wow, I thought you actually have to have like lots.
No, it's just a little bit. And then 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Honestly, I'm not gonna use them watches because I don't really care too much for cinnamon.
Hey. Ground. We're using a ground cinnamon. So
okay. That should
work.
That should do the job.
So
oh, that's extra footage.
for TikTok. Now.
Oh my god, I hate watching raw eggs. I don't know if it's just me.
Yeah, I don't like it too.
I think because of that reason, my mom actually doesn't like eggs or like chicken products because like the very intense smell that
has
eggs
like this smell.
tend to have.
We just finished mixing the banana with eggs and we use the cinnamon powder. Right now we are going to be mixing the flour. We're going to use another bowl, so that means we have like 3 bowls right now, and we're using this all-purpose flour here. So we need the scissors.
No, I think it just folds over.
Okay.
Anyways, we're gonna do 4 cups of flour. It's gonna get a little messy. We'll clean it up. I'm just trying to make sure it's flour. Have you seen that one video that this guy, instead of using flour, used amala powder?
On TikTok?
Goodness. Yeah, on TikTok.
Jeez. How did it come out?
Obviously, it was nonsense.
Wait,
but
was
he was
it
trying to.
chubby?
Yes, he was trying to make pasta. I was like, no, he used semo.
It was simple.
I was like, who does that?
Tom is a clown. I think he just did that one for like just TikTok trend. Did you see the one that I just posted yesterday?
The one and Ian and
because we're using 2 pans, so we have to use 4. So we have this right here.
1 tablespoon. Let me look at the recipe again. 1 tablespoon of. See, that's how people feel. 1 teaspoon. 1 tablespoon. 2 teaspoon. 1 salt.
1 tablespoon
1 teaspoon of
baking powder.
Baking powder.
Okay.
Let's see how much salt we're supposed to use. Then 1 teaspoon of salt.
1 teaspoon.
Let's be careful so we don't come over pour.
Better?
Okay, that's good. So that's how much salt we're using.
Just like a tiny teaspoon.
This is just the dry ingredients. And then we're going to mix the bananas into the butter and sugar first, and then we'll mix this in last.
So when we put this in here, are we going to like mix it too?
Yeah.
Like, okay.
So
I should take this out?
Yeah, you can take that out.
Jeez. Wonderful.
We're just going to I'm gonna mix it in like 2 batches.
Okay. Put this first.
Yeah.
Right here we just have the butter and the sugar, then we also have the eggs and the cinnamon and banana.
Please don't compose with amateur. So if we're doing something that's bothering you, sincerely apologize.
We're going to see lots of comments.
Yeah, I know it was looking a little questionable before, but we have redeemed ourselves. Thank you. Thank you.
So this is how it looks like right now. And you guys can see. We are too good.
Period.
It was to bake anything.
Contact us about our baking powder. You don't wear your favorite clothes.
Oh God.
See, it's properly mixed, like that's what we're talking about. Yeah.
Yes, guys.
We're trying to clean up as much as we can right
We're
now.
doing it.
That's
This
very
doesn't look messy. And once we're done, we know that okay. You don't have to do anything again. So guys, the next thing is to butter the pan. We have like 2, what is this thing called?
The bread.
Bread
They're called
loaf?
They're loaf pans.
Loaf
but
pans,
yeah.
yeah. So
I'm just gonna butter it with this. This butter is extremely melted though. It's like, I feel like it's gonna break. You do one pan, I do the other.
okay.
Sound good?
Yeah.
You can just take like.
Just use from here. I think I'll just do it when you're done. I don't
Okay.
want my hands like mixed. Do I still need to mix this one? It's fine.
I think it's fine. Like you can just mix the something with what's it called?
What?
You can just mix it with the spatula.
Okay. Are we putting the cookie? What's it called?
Oh, the chocolate chunks.
Yeah, the chunks.
Yeah,
I
we're
can't
just
find it.
gonna.
Oh, it's right here.
I'm just gonna put that. Like that'll be the very last thing.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect. Let me test this thing.
Is this good?
It is very nice. We are bakers.
Period.
Don't play.
Contact us for your wedding services.
Don't play with us.
If you
Don't
want this
play.
banana bread at your wedding. I'm not sure why you would do that, but you know, to each their own. No, to each their own.
Don't play with us. This is so good.
Let me see. Girl, you can use this to fry puff puff.
I used too much. Jeez.
Just scoop it like that. And I just put it on the paper towel.
Okay. Let's put it in here now.
So we're just going to mix the chocolate chips.
I'm gonna put it inside here.
Yeah. I'm not gonna put too much there. I feel like that would just pull on the banana flavor. Yes, I know it's semi-sweet. I've never had semi-sweet. Small. Oh, this is good, yeah.
You can use it for cookies too.
Yeah, for sure.
Yes, perfect. So guys, we are going to pour it into the pan now. I feel like the pan is...
Because it has to be like 2/3 full. It can't be too full because remember it's going to swell.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, we have to put in the second bowl also.
Sorry if it's looking messy. We are amateur.
Exactly, we're not professionals.
I know we're making one before. I know we're making one before, but we are sorry, okay?
Judge us with grace, okay? Judge us with grace.
Sorry. Okay.
In the pan, another thing my mom always teaches me to do is like, it kind of gets rid of air bubbles. And then you can just take this and just like...
We do zim zam zam zam. Zim zam zam zam.
The last thing we're gonna add is almonds. I wanted to get like mixed nuts, but they didn't have any at the store, so almonds is going to work for us today.
We're just going to sprinkle it on top. So I said, oh no.
Doing that. Yeah. When I go to like Starbucks and stuff like that, I was not in the middle. But it's okay, life is not perfect.
Life is not perfect, okay guys? Is there fresh now?
I was like, what? Are they coming to get us? And now we're going to put it in the oven. Oh, Matida. We're going to put it in the oven for an hour. We're just going to be checking it like every 15 minutes to see how it's doing. Preheat to 325 degrees for a while now. So we're just...
Alright guys, so we've allowed the bread to cool a bit, so we're just going to cut it now with the knife and just taste it.
Hello?
It's really nice.
Cool. It's actually really good.
It's very good as well.
I feel like I get in rice as well because we didn't put baking soda in it. I don't know.
Because it's meant to like rise better, but this is still very good. Alright guys, so we've come to the end of this video, and if you stay to this very moment, let us know what you think about this whole recipe, today's recipe actually. Let us know what you think about it down below, but I'm not gonna lie, it tastes very, very, very nice. The only thing we did a mistake on is that we didn't add baking soda, right? Yeah, so it's like, it's not like a bit, because it's meant to swell, which it didn't swell. But yeah, it tastes very good. And also, let's tell Tolu thank you, because she came all the way from work here. She hasn't slept. She hasn't slept, yeah, but we're finally done now. And yes guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I hope to see you on my next video. Bye guys, I love y'all.